Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to find a seller on AliExpress. So if you want to find a seller on AliExpress, then you should always start by checking store's reputation. Let's go to some sellers' profiles so that I can show to you. You should always look for sellers with at least 95% positive feedback, which is displayed right here at the top, and products that are rated above 4.7 stars right here. Then let's go to this item and go to reviews section, because that is very important, especially those reviews with photos, because they can show you real quality of the item and not just polished photos that seller provides you right here. Then it's very smart to pay attention to sales number, which you can see right here. That means if a product has hundreds or thousands of orders, then it usually means that customers trust this seller. What else? Do not forget about communication with the seller. So at the bottom left corner of your screen, you see message icon. Tap here, which will open chat with the seller. And I recommend you to send the seller a quick question and see how fast and clearly they can respond to you. And finally, you should pay attention to shipping options, because you need shipping as fast as possible. So that were the main points how to find a seller on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.